I tell you my biggest love is Doctor Who. It's a science fiction series of in British. I love Doctor Who because Doctor Who. When I started to watch Doctor Who, it was 2008, and it's really interesting, this series. And there was a David Tennant as a doctor and Lee Pepper as Rose Tyler. The doctor said it's my time machine and I can travel anywhere whenever I want. And I don't believe this because this is a big blue box, police box. And then the doctor went to the inside of TARDIS, and I was so surprised because it's the bigger on the inside and everywhere in some things, and it's so amazing. Then the doctor can be travel in time and space with this. Interesting. This is comes from interesting for me. Then why I continue the Doctor Who? Because I love Doctor Who and Doctor Who is so interesting. Think just this, we are not alone. In the other galaxies, there was a really life form. They are living in other things. I love this because we are not alone and I feel lonely. So I just tell you this. Goodbye.
My biggest love is Walking Dead because I like zombie apocalypse and flash eating zombies.
My biggest love is reading. I finish 6 books in a month. I usually read before I go to bed and in my free time. I read because it is simple and relaxing. I read fiction books and comic books too. The only difference between comic book and fiction book is comic books that have more pictures and less words. I like reading and I think people should read more.
My biggest love is my mother. She is my everything. She is kind, friendly, helpful, and the best mother in the world.
My biggest love is my doctor. She is a friend, playful me. She is a good friend. Also, she is a helper. She is my everything.
My biggest love is Iron Man. Iron Man represents my life. Iron Man is a comic, a cartoon character, but I love Iron Man. For all, my biggest love is Iron Man.
My biggest love is my cats. I have 2 cats. Their names are Boris and Minty. They are so cute and funny. But sometimes they are naughty. They always run at home and fight. They are hurt each other. But I love them more than anything. They make me happy. I am happy with them.
Teacher, she teach us teacher. She has perfect hair. She is lovely lady. She is funny and beautiful girl.